You're right, RC Addict. So it's an absolutely beautiful day outside. Been up since like 5, trying to get out of this bloody house, but seriously, I'm going mad. Mad.
Are you kidding me? Ooh, I can't breathe like this. No. Ooh, I can't breathe.
I don't know, I just get in such a state and I just can't get out, man. I've got to get out though, I have to. I want to fly. Oh, for fuck's sake, man, just go. Just get your backpack on and go. Batteries are all charged. Normally happens, yeah, and this is insane, right? But it's true. It gets to about, I don't know, I get to about 2 hours of trying, and I think, fuck it, and I just take some sleepers, and that's it. And I'm just like, you know, fuck it, day's gone. I'm up at night time, all night again, and it repeats. Once those goggles are on, once I'm outside, man, seriously, I put those goggles on and my overthinking just stops. It's beautiful. FPV could help so many people. Just gotta spread that word, man. Take care.